Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your Ethereum around, like from Metamask to Coinbase Wallet. Today, I'm walking you through this step by step, so you can do it safely and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or just refreshing your skills, this guide is designed to be straightforward and hassle-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both Metamask and Coinbase Wallet apps or extensions installed and set up on your device. Start by opening Metamask. You'll want to ensure you're connected to the Ethereum mainnet. Double-check that in the network drop-down menu to avoid any errors. Next, select the Ethereum you want to send. In Metamask, go to your wallet overview, click on the Ethereum asset, and hit the Send button. Now, here's where you need to be extra careful. Open your Coinbase wallet and copy the receiving address. Paste that address into the To field in Metamask. Remember, crypto addresses are long and specific, so triple check to prevent sending your ETH to the wrong place. That could mean losing it forever. Once the address is in, enter the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer. Metamask will show you the estimated gas fees, which cover the network costs. In 2025, these fees might fluctuate based on network congestion, so keep an eye on that. Review all the details, amount, address, and fees, then hit Confirm. You'll need to approve the transaction with your wallet password or biometrics. After confirming, sit tight while the transaction processes. This usually takes a minute or two, but it can vary. Once it's done, head over to your Coinbase wallet to verify that the Ethereum has arrived. If everything looks good, you're all set. A few quick tips. Always use a secure internet connection, enable two-factor authentication on both wallets, and never share your private keys. If you run into issues, like a stuck transaction, check blockchain explorers like Etherscan. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.